Hi, it's Larry Gaines from Options on the Open. In this video I wanted to do a review of last week using the S&P 500 cash market to illustrate where we are using the power cycle trading model, and to point out a couple of really interesting elements to the move to show you where we're potentially headed. But first, if you've not received my free ebook, please just go to optionsontheopen.com. And on my homepage, you'll see this get your free ebook and educational videos. It's top 15 option trading strategies. Really great ebook. Put your name and email address and receive this ebook. So let me get started right now, and I'm going to go through the long-term, medium-term, and intermediate term using the S&P 500 cash. Now, this is a weekly chart, and we use this for our long-term market view using the power cycle trading model. And right here, you can see this came at June the 8th. The cycle model triggered a low, so the trend shifted to the upside. So this came back on June the 8th, and we're still in an uptrend based on the cycle model. But you can see that we're getting to the top of this channel right here, so there's a good potential, high probability that the market should pull back, but we're still in an uptrend long term. But you can see here's a pivot low, here's a pivot low. You put this trend line in, then extend this up to a parallel, so we're at the top of this channel here. So we could overshoot it, but usually when you get to the top of these channels, they do tend to pull back. So wouldn't be surprised to see this market pull back to something like 1360 in that area. That's pretty good support for it. And I'll show you on the medium-term chart, which will be the next one up. I'll show you something there as well to also point this potential out, that we're starting to get a little bit toppy here, and we could take a little bit of a pause. Now here's the medium-term time frame as measured by the daily, and this is again with the power cycle trading model. And you can see that we've been in this cycle range where you can see you get a cycle low. These are where the model went long for cycle low, and then we get up to the top of this channel here, this parallel channel, and it goes short. Get down to the bottom, it went long. Gets up here, it goes neutral, short. Gets long again, goes short. This came back on the 20th of July, and then got back down here on the 26th of July, went long, and then it triggered a neutral on the 1st of August, and it's still neutral. Now the thing that's interesting here is that you can see, look at the volume. You had really good volume spike here and here, exceptional good volume, and then look on this last leg up. This came on Friday, August the 3rd. Look how light the volume is there. So based on light volume and based on what you saw on the long-term time frame getting up to the top of this channel, there's potential for it to stall and pull back. It doesn't mean that it can't keep going, but it looks like it potentially could be setting up to take a little bit of a breather here, and I'll point this out again on the next chart, which will be an intermediate term chart with the cycle model on that as well. Now again, using the cycle model and using it on the 60-minute time frame and also the 15-minute time frame. This is what the cycle model did this past week. So here, this came on August the 2nd at 2:30 Central. We had a cycle low, and the model went long, and that came at 2:30, right towards the end of the day, 30 minutes from the close. And then you can see on Friday, August the 3rd, it just exploded to the upside the first 15 minutes of the day, basically. So you had this huge move, and then it had one more leg up and then went sideways the rest of the day. The system then went actually neutral to short right here, and so we'll see what happens on Monday if there's any fall through. So based on this, long to cycle high, short on the very short-term intermediate, there's a potential there signaling a possible pullback. Here's on the 60-minute time frame. It went neutral. The system was short here on the 30th of July, went neutral here on the 2nd of August, and then on Friday the 3rd, in that first 15 minutes, it triggered it long, and on the 60-minute time frame, it's still holding along. So you're having some conflicting signals here, so which a lot of times show that the market is starting to pause and maybe take a breather. So I wanted to point that out. Good luck with your trading this week, and if you'd like to get a disciplined trading system to help you navigate these choppy, volatile markets, please come join us at Options on the Open and learn how we use the power cycle trading model. Best of luck.